Hello friends, dear teachers and students. I am really thankful to everybody because you all have given me great response to my all videos. Friends, before to start MCQs on an essay written by Bhagat Singh entitled Youth, let me tell you some important things that friends, actually this is fourth video on Bhagat Singh's youth. Friends, I have done also one video which got more than 5,000 views and which is very useful video regarding giving the examination, online examination with the help of Google Forms. In that regard, that video I have, the link of that video I have given in the description of this video, as well as I have given the links about the introduction of Bhagat Singh, then link about analysis of the essay Youth in English, then there is a link about the analysis of the essay Youth in Hindi Yuak, and I have given the analysis of essay in Hindi. So friends, all these links are very useful for everybody, and without taking any more time, let's start very important MCQs on youth. This is the first MCQ. When Bhagat Singh was born? Options are A. September 28, 1907, B. September 28, 1910, C. September 28, 1908, and D. September 28, 1909. Friends, note down your answer, and this is correct answer. A. September 28, 1907. Next MCQ. When Bhagat Singh was hanged by British colonial government? Options are A. March 23, 1930, B. March 23, 1931, C. March 23, 1932, D. March 23, 1933. Friends, note down your answer among all these options, and this is correct answer. B. March 23, 1931. Next MCQ. Bhagat Singh's father and uncle were belonged to international political movement. For all such type of the answers and questions, please read the original text from the book Prudence. Options are A. The Congress Party, B. The Lahore Party, C. The Gadar Party, D. The Bharat Party. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. C. The Gadar Party. Next MCQ. Which event has deeply hurt Bhagat Singh to protest against the British colonial government? Options are A. Firing in Lahore, B. Lathi charge in Delhi, C. Blasts in rural India, C. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Friends, note down your answer, and this is correct answer. D. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Yes friends. Next MCQ. Which socialist youth organization was founded by Bhagat Singh? A. Naujawan Bharat Sabha, B. Naujawan Indian Congress, C. Gadar Party, D. HSRA. Note down your answer, dear friends, and this is the correct answer. A. Naujawan Bharat Sabha. Next MCQ. Bhagat Singh also joined with prominent leaders like Sivaram Rajguru, Sukhdev Thapar, and Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil and Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan. Options are A. The Indian National Congress, B. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, HSRA, D. Hindustan Socialist Republican Union, D. None of the above. Note down your answer, friend. And this is correct answer. HSRA, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Means Naujawan Bharat Sabha he founded and he joined Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Next MCQ. What were the pseudonyms of Bhagat Singh for writing his revolutionary thoughts in various newspapers? Options are A. Balwant, C. Ranjit, B. Ranjit, C. Vidrohi, and D. all of the above. Sorry friends, there is a fair spelling mistake. It is Balwant. D. 4 options, and correct answer of this question is D. all of the above. Balwant, Ranjit and Vidrohi. He used all these pseudonyms for writings in various newspapers. Next MCQ. Who threw the bombs in Central Legislative Assembly in protest of Public Safety Bill? Options are A. Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad, B. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev, C. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt, D. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. C. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt. Next MCQ. Who wrote the essay Youth for inspiring the Indian youths for Indian freedom movement? Options are A. Shivram Rajguru, B. Sukhdev Thapa, C. Chandrasekhar Azad, D. Bhagat Singh. And this is correct answer. D. Bhagat Singh. Next MCQ. In which journal the essay Youth, in Hindi it is Yuak, of Bhagat Singh was published? Options are A. Saptahik Matwala, B. Saptahik Bharat, C. Saptahik Kranti, D. Saptahik Yuak. Friends, note down your answer, and this is correct answer. A. Saptahik Matwala. Next MCQ. Who is universally acknowledged as a Shahid Azam? Options are A. Shivram Rajguru, B. Sukhdev Thapar, C. Bhagat Singh, D. Chandrasekhar Azad. And the correct answer of this question is C. Bhagat Singh. This is next MCQ. Bhagat Singh wrote his writings in dash 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 languages. Options are A. Urdu, B. Punjabi, C. Hindi, D. all of the above. And the correct answer of this question is D. all of the above. Urdu, Punjabi and Hindi, all 3 languages he used for his writings. Next MCQ. Which season was compared with the life of the youth by Bhagat Singh in essay Youth? A. Winter, B. Spring, C. Summer, D. Monsoon. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. B. Spring. Next MCQ. The seasons of youth in human body is like the dash 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 in the revolutionary's pocket. A. Gun, B. Sword, C. Bomb, D. Revolver. And this is correct answer. C. Bomb. So the season of youth in human body is like the bomb. What great thought. Next MCQ. According to Bhagat Singh, which age is very useful in life to reach at the highest peak in the life? Options are A. the childhood, B. the youth, C. the middle age, D. and old age. Note down your answer, friends. And this is correct answer. B, the youth. Next MCQ. Bhagat Singh has compared the youthhood with dash 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 from the Indian myths. A, the Bhishma chapter in Mahabharata. B, Ravana's arrogance. C, Prahlad Satyagraha. D, all of the above. Yes, friends. Bhagat Singh used all these myths for explaining youth. And this is correct answer. D, all of the above. Yes, he has compared youth with Bhishma chapter, Ravana's arrogance, Prahlad Satyagraha. Next MCQ. According to Bhagat Singh, who is the most skilled player of this vast stage of this world? Options are A, the youth, B, the soldier, C, the child, D, all of the above. And this is correct answer. The youth is the most skilled player on this vast stage of this world. Next MCQ. Dash dash are the seeds of success of the future. Options are A, the old, B, the child, C, the young, D, all of the above. Note down your answer. And this is correct answer. The young are the seeds of the success. Which American youth leader was mentioned by Bhagat Singh in the essay Youth? Options are A, Barack Obama, B, Martin Luther King, C, Patrick Henry, D, Abraham Lincoln. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. C, Patrick Henry. Next MCQ. Who said, life is a dearer within the prison cell, where it is the price paid for the freedom's fight? In essay Youth. A, Barack Obama, B, Martin Luther King, C, Abraham Lincoln, D, Patrick Henry. And this is correct answer. D, Patrick Henry. Next MCQ. Which goddess mentioned by Bhagat Singh in the essay Youth? Options are A, Goddess Durga, B, Goddess Bharati, C, Goddess Saraswati, D, Goddess Kali. Note down your answer, friends. And this is the correct answer. Sorry, friends. Here, A, correct answer of this question is A, Goddess Durga. The correct answer of this question is A, Goddess Durga. Next MCQ. What is the concluding slogan of the essay Youth written by Bhagat Singh? A, Jai Hind, B, Inqilab Zindabad, C, Vande Mataram, D, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Friends, note down your answer, and this is the correct answer. C, Vande Mataram. Friends, I conclude this essay with beautiful quote of Bhagat Singh, that is, जिंदगी तो अपने दम पर ही जी जाती है, दूसरों के कंधे पर तो सिर्फ जनाजे उठाए जाते हैं. शहीद भगत सिंह. Vande Mataram. I again request everybody, circulate and subscribe. Again I say Vande Mataram. Thank you one and all. Thank you, friends.